Thanks so much for coming by today. We are going to be making cast iron spicy street corn from Magnolia Cookbook, volume number 3. I have to say, I have tried this before. It is amazing, so I'm very excited to share this with you. It's so easy. If you're having Taco Tuesday or whenever you're having tacos, this is the thing to make along with your tacos. So let's get started. We're gonna do some prep work here, and then we're gonna go over to the stove and add all of our ingredients for some yumminess. Alrighty, so we have our white onion here. We need about 1/2 cup. So let's chop some up. Forgot my wet paper towel. So we're off to a good start. I'm gonna cry pretty soon, unless I cut this really fast and cut my finger off. Oh, I feel it coming. Okay, just put up a little bit more. I don't think this is 1/2 cup, but I feel it coming, people. I feel the tears. Oh, we're going with it. Okay, onions done. I'm gonna push this to the side. Oh, take that. You guys just make me so emotional. Okay, cut up some of our cilantro. She says like about a tablespoon. Wow, I'm really crying. Eyes are watering. I can stop? Okay, thanks. Woo! The paper towel does work. Okay, so now that I've cried out all of my tears from the white onion, I am going to continue chopping the cilantro. So we need about 2 tablespoons of cilantro. You can't go wrong with cilantro. Do love this. With corn, the street corn, it just adds the extra level of taste. To do it, we're gonna put this off to the side. We're gonna head over to the stove and start putting together our corn mixture. Alrighty, so we're at the stove now. I have our cast iron skillet warmed up. I'm gonna throw in about a tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna let this melt, and then we're gonna add in our onion and let that cook down for about 5 to 6 minutes. So I'm gonna add it in. Let this go. We want it to be a little brown. So we'll let this go. We'll come back, we'll add our corn, and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Alrighty, so the onion is now finished. We just need it to get a little bit brown. So now that it's brown, I'm gonna add in our corn. I'm gonna set the timer for 15 minutes. Yeah. And we're just gonna stir it occasionally. So we're gonna keep this on a medium-high heat. And then once we're done with the 15 minutes, we're gonna add in some lime juice, some cheese, some chili powder, and some salt and pepper, and some mayonnaise. All right. All right, all So it is time to add in some of our flavors here. So I have chili powder, I have pepper, and I have some salt. I'm gonna stir this together, let it coat. It's really popping. And once it's all coated, I'm going to add in our Fresca cheese, our lime juice, and our mayonnaise. All right, let's give this a stir. I turn the heat down. Lost some kernels along the way, as you can see. Give this a minute. I'm gonna take this off, let it cool for a quick second, throw in some cilantro, and try this out. Alrighty, so our corn is ready. It is chilling and ready for us to eat. I am just gonna add in some cilantro, maybe a little bit more. I'm gonna mix it up. All right, let's give this a try. Okay, everyone, it is time to try our cast iron spicy street corn. This is so good. I can't wait to finish this. It is amazing. The cheese, the cilantro, the lime juice, it's so good. Please add this to your Taco Tuesday night or whenever taco time is. It is so good, it is so worth it, and it's so easy to make. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you all. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Yeah.
I'd be like, I need a break.
I need a break.
Yeah.
Looks amazing, doesn't it? So good.